Firstly, go online to search for and download some reference images of this speed shoe. Try to download images from the top and bottom, left and right, and the front and back. So these images from different angles will make it easier for us when we start modeling. Step 1 is to delete the default cube because we don't need it. So click on the cube and press X on the keyboard and then click delete. A computer mouse is recommended for 3D modeling a lot more than a laptop trackpad, because we will want to use the scroll wheel and the mouse buttons frequently. So grab one if you can, and have more patience with your laptop if not. If you press the middle mouse button down and move the cursor around, you will rotate the viewport. This X, Y, Z, or red, green and blue axis on the top right will rotate to match. You can also click on this axis and drag it to rotate the viewport. When we add our reference image, it will always be facing us. So if I add a reference images whilst looking at my viewport from here, it will be on an angle. And if I add my reference image here, it will be at a different angle. But we want our reference images imported flat on the X, Y, or Z axis. So instead of trying to use our mouse to navigate our viewport to be looking directly from above like a bird's eye view, we can quickly jump to the top orthographic view by clicking on the Z on this axis on the top right, or we can hold down the tilde key. So the tilde key looks like a wave, to open up some options to jump to multiple orthographic views. So let's go to our top orthographic view, which is basically bird's eye view, and then hit Shift A to bring up the Add menu. Go to Image and click Reference. This should bring up a window where you can browse the files on your computer. So locate the top reference image and click Load Reference Image. So this is what we want. We want our reference image flat like this. Label your reference image in the scene collection on the top right of the screen by double-clicking it and typing top. We need to repeat these steps for other reference images. So go to the bottom orthographic view and import the bottom reference image. Remember to rename it. Notice that these images are on top of one another. So use the scene collection to select the top image, then move it up by going to this third icon on the left-hand side, which allows us to move an object by clicking and dragging the red, green, or blue arrow that appears. We need to repeat these steps for all of the reference images, so you end up with something like this.